Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're looking at Spacebuds Pro today. Feedback that I've gotten from customers that have bought this Spacebuds Pro, considering the fact that it is one of the most pricey earbuds that Oraimo has produced. I asked for feedbacks and these are what some customers have to say about it. This person says, I started using it with playing songs and answering calls 12:26 p.m. and it played for that long time, and 1 hour now it dropped 10% only. This is a good feedback if you ask me, because playing something constantly for 1 hour, it went on and then just after 1 hour it just drops 10%. That means it's going to give you a very long playing time. Now imagine if you're not using it actively, like you're just using it randomly, answering calls and all that, to stay the whole day or more without going off. So kudos Oraimo on this one. The second person, on the other hand, requested for FreePods Pro, having used and enjoyed it, and he wanted a replacement because he lost one of the ears, but FreePods Pro is no longer available, so he got this one instead. However, he complained that it was always opening at every slightest shake and it was not a good one for him. But then I responded, how is the sound? Because I believe that is the most important thing. And then he said it's okay, but that FreePods Pro is heavenly. They really messed up by stopping production of that one, Sha.
Personally, I think that Oraimo have done well, but shouldn't have discontinued the FreePods Pro. What do you think about this? Please leave your comments in the section and subscribe and follow us for more videos like this. Thank you and have a blessed day.